Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to find the prime numbers for 24 and 36. I like to use a factor tree, so let's get started. Since it ends in an even number 4, I'm just going to start with 2, and 2 times 12 is 24. I'm going to circle 2 because it is prime. I can use 2 again. 2 times 6 is 12. Again, we have circle 2 because it's prime. And now 2 times 3 is 6. And if you'll notice, we're all the way down to prime numbers. So the prime numbers for 24 are 2, 2, 2, and 3. Let's now look at 36. Okay, now for 36, again, it ends in an even number, so why don't we just go by 2's, and 2 times 18 is 36. 2 is prime. Now we can go ahead and do this again. 2 times 9 is 18. And then I know that 9 can be a perfect square, so 3 times 3 equals 9. We're down to prime numbers, so the prime numbers for 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. I hope that was helpful.